In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert any video file into an audio file using VLC Media Player. This is perfect if you want to extract audio for podcasts, music, voice recordings, or offline listening. And the best part is that VLC is completely free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert or Save. This will open the Open Media window where you can choose the file you want to work with. Next, make sure you're on the File tab. Click the Add button, then browse your computer and select the video file you want to convert to audio. This can be an MP4, MKV, AVI, or almost any video format VLC supports. After selecting your video, click the Convert or Save button at the bottom of the window to move to the next step. Now you'll see the Convert window. This is where you choose how your audio file will be created. Under the Settings section, look for the Profile drop-down menu. Click on it and select Audio MP3. This option tells VLC that you only want the audio from the video and that it should be saved as an MP3 file. If you want to customize the audio quality, you can do that too. Just click the small wrench or gear icon next to the Profile drop-down. In the Audio Codec tab, you can change settings like bitrate, sample rate, and channels. Higher bit rates mean better audio quality but larger file sizes. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save to return to the Convert window. Now it's time to choose where your audio file will be saved. Click the Browse button under Destination, select the folder where you want the file to go, and give your file a name. Make sure the file name ends with .mp3 so VLC knows it's an audio file. After choosing the destination, click Save. Finally, click the Start button to begin the conversion. VLC will start processing the video and you'll see the progress bar moving along the bottom of the player. Depending on the length of the video, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the process is complete, VLC will stop automatically. You can now navigate to the folder you selected earlier and you'll find your new MP3 audio file ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully converted a video to an audio file using VLC Media Player. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.